Every year, millions of tons of waste pollute our planet, choking oceans, filling landfills, and destroying fragile ecosystems. But what if businesses could lead the way in reversing this tide? At Mountain Rose Herbs, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a commitment. Through our Zero Waste program, we've transformed the way we handle waste, proving that businesses can work in harmony with the planet.
Zero waste aligns with our core values of sustainability and environmental stewardship. So it's about taking full responsibility for the waste we generate and reducing our impact on the planet. In 2024, we achieved a 97% diversion rate. So that means almost all of our waste was reused, recycled, or composted instead of going to the landfill.
It's a mindset shift, and it's working. Through thoughtful design and rigorous attention to detail, Mountain Rose Herbs has achieved Platinum Zero Waste certification, the highest level possible and the first to do so in Oregon. This means we're not just managing our waste, we're eliminating it. The environmental toll of waste is devastating, but it doesn't have to be this way. Businesses like Mountain Rose Herbs are proving there's a better path forward.
While we have robust systems for sorting and tracking materials, ongoing employee trainings, partnerships with local recycling, composting facilities, and they all work to ensure proper handling of the waste. Our goal is that every decision we make considers the impact that we're going to have on future generations and the resources that they have access to.
We're not perfect, but together we're creating a ripple effect. One that we hope will inspire others to join the movement, because the future of our planet depends on what we do today.